Gonna try it again from that distance, about 30 from the target. A proper center hit. You should hit a proper center from here. And that's not fucking center hit. Stop. Yes, that's fine. This time we got the perfect hit. After a few fucking days we got this. I'm losing my touch. Where was the hit is? Even though it's not great hit, should be in the middle. Stop recording. Now we try to hit more at the middle, because if we hit like this, a live bird should be definitely escaping from us. Can also try it from the elevated surface. From here, yeah, I hope you see the target. Now it is easy to see. And that was the great shot. We are waiting for it. That was perfectly great. Jumping from here. Stop recording. So wherever the target is, just focus on your hand angles and holding position of slingshot, aiming and anchor point, so that you can hit the target even it is in elevated surface or whether you are in elevated surface. That was one fucking great shot, right? I think I'm back. I think I'm getting into the rhythm again. So this is how you can hit the target. Now we are going to reduce our target size. We are going to use this cell as our target next. Hope you see this. Stop recording. From here you can see barely a cell hanging. Let's try to hit that. Holy shit, that was unwanted shot. It's wending somewhere else. Hope will hit the target now. Exactly. From here, if we did this, then the target will be getting easier. Hope that gets near to the target. We are going to hit the target. But that was close. That was really close. Hope in 1 or 2 attempts we will hit this. Okay. Hit this small sized battery. Holy shit. That isn't good. That isn't good. It's not hitting the target near. That's far away. That's a bullshit. Let's try to hit closer this time. Come on, buddy. Hoping you'll hit this small fucking battery. Yeah, we did it. We did it. We hit the target and target falls down. Absolute rhythm. But exactly the cell is not hidden in the middle. It's just went down and here it is. It's not hidden nowhere. It's just slided over the cell, I think so. It's nothing happened to the cell. You should try to hit the cell in the middle.